Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn a chapter called The Culture of the Vedic Period. The Vedic period or Vedic age is a period in the late Bronze Age and early Iron Age of the history of India when the Vedas were composed in the northern Indian subcontinent. Let us know some important facts about Vedic period. Vedic period started with the arrival of Aryan race, which was originally from Central Asia. It started in the plains of river Saraswati. Four Vedas were written in this period. They were Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samveda, and Atharvaveda. Vedic period is divided into pre-Vedic period, which lasted from 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and post-Vedic period, which lasted from 1000 BC to 600 BC. During the Rigvedic period, the Aryans were mostly confined to the Indus region, which is modern-day Pakistan. Let us now talk about social, economical, political, and religious life of people during the period of pre-Vedic period and post-Vedic period separately. Let us first talk about social life in pre-Vedic period. Family was the basic unit. Joint family was in practice. Father was the head of the family. Prisoners were called dasas and were treated like slaves. Aryans knew liquors, soma and suras. Now, let us talk about economic life. Farming and rearing animals were the main occupations. Other occupations were blacksmith, priesthood, weavers, carpenters, etc. Cow was considered as wealth. Main food was rice, barley, fish and meat. Now, let us talk about the position of women. Women held a respectable position in the society. Many scholars were women. Widow marriage was in practice. Child marriage and sati system was not practiced. Next, about political life during Vedic period. Chief of the Aryan was called Rajan. Kingship was not hereditary and he was very dutiful. Political institutions like Sabha, Samiti and Vidhatas played important role in the administration. Next, about religious life. Aryans worshipped gods like Indra, Surya, Varuna, Yama, Soma, Mitra and Ashwini. Yajnas were performed to please gods. Now, let us come to post-Vedic period. As centuries passed, population grew. These people then migrated to the plains of Ganga and Yamuna and then to the south of India. Let us see how the social life was during post-Vedic period. Gotra system started, 4 ashrama system started, 4 varna system started. The 4 ashramas were Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha and Sannyasa. 4 varnas were Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Let us see the political life. King became very powerful and performed Ashwamedha Yaga and Rajasuya Yajna to extend his kingdom. Sabha, Samiti and Vidhatas diminished. Kingship became hereditary. The status of women in post-Vedic period was lowered and she was deprived of education. Sati system and child marriage prevailed in the society. Religious life of post-Vedic period. Main gods were Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and goddesses were Lakshmi, Parvati, and Durga. Yajnas became more complicated. Offering milk, ghee, cereals lead to the shortage of food. Epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata have guided the life and art of Indian life. Now, let us see a video and understand this concept clearly. That's all for today. Thank you.